Hey y'all, it's Mary, and today is day 24 of our Advent Calendar series, and there he comes. Excuse me, he makes me laugh. Okay, sit down, Smudge, if you will, please. Okay, y'all, I have the Advent Calendar. We'll just do his first, and maybe he'll go. This is from, I got this at PetSmart. You can't even see the name of it anymore on there. Anyway, it is called Merry and Bright Collection. This has been a great calendar. We've really enjoyed it. The cats have really enjoyed it. They've played with a lot of the toys, not just on camera when I give it to them, but they've been playing. So here's 24 is way up here, and these, when you pop them in, then the cardboard often goes. Okay, Smudge, sit. The cardboard often comes right off. This is adorable. Okay, Smudge. Look what I have for you, but nobody can see. We have this, all right. I know y'all love him, but he just, okay. This is what's in there today. A candy cane. Isn't that adorable? Look, Smudge. Boy, you look like you're exhausted. It's very cold here, y'all, so I have this gas heat on, and it's different, and it does have an, natural gas. It has a, so they love it. It's so warm. But yeah, it's different. It's different than what we're used to. It's different. Smudge. Okay, let me see if maybe I can move this over a little bit. Well, okay, you get to see beautiful Smudge. So look at that, Smudge. You want to play? I think he would fall right asleep standing. They do that. So anyway, all right, let's move on, Smudge. All right. Smudge, where's that? Okay, I have something. Goodness gracious. Okay. Y'all, I have something fabulous for the Advent Calendar. Christmas treasure hunt if you're playing. It's in a box. It's a very, very plain box. But I'll use that for protection. Okay, Smudge, are you going to go? Are you going to take your candy cane with you? Let me show people what's going on. This is the Natasha Denona Cupid Cheek Duo. It's a cream blush and a highlighter, and he's gone, so I can open it. One side is, it's absolutely stunning, stunning. One side is a mirror. It says, what did it say? Cream blush and highlighter. Now the highlighter does not look like a cream. It looks like a powder, but I don't know. The blush is definitely a cream. It's stunning. This is it. And that is day 24. And I'm going to put it back in its protection. And let's go on to the Macy's calendar, okay? Day 24 is, oh, look, we're about done with everything. Just left over here is day 24 and day 25. So that's a pushing tab. Ooh, what is it? It's a little perfume. Well, look at that cute little thing. That's cute. I don't see any, let's see. Oh, yeah, with the tiny writing. I may have to stop this. I don't know if I'm going to know what this is, y'all. Hang on. Y'all, it's perfume. That much I could tell. It's beautiful. I could hardly read that on the bottom. But I did with the magnifying glass, and I also found it on the box. Let me tell you, the name is, I don't know if I can say it, but it's Cacharel, C-A-C-H-A-R-E-L. I have definitely heard of that brand. It says, yes, I am delicious. And that's what this smells like. It smells very, very sweet, like you're baking. It's very sweet, like brown sugar. And the bottle is just adorable. Very, very pretty. Anyway, so that is today's Macy's calendar. That is really cool. So only one day left, y'all. So come back tomorrow. This is very long. So come back tomorrow, y'all. Count your blessings. Good to see you.